Hi, I'm Bashana Barker, and I am currently doing my field placement at a hospital setting in Philadelphia, working with transplants for kidneys, livers, and pancreases. And one of the things that I hope to get out of this course is to be able to help future clients deal with grief and loss of loved ones, as well as helping other LPs, little people, also deal with the grief and loss of their double dominance children, as many people who have dwarfism, um, who have a double dominant gene, if they marry someone else who has a dominant gene, have a higher risk of double dominance. And unfortunately, I've had a lot of friends who have had double dominance, and have had children pass away. So this will be able to give me a better understanding and ability to help others in the future in this course. And I think that studying grief and loss is relevant in my future career, because in every area of social work, no matter where I go, unfortunately, people do pass away, and people will have grief and loss, and it will be something that they will have to work through and deal with and learn how to move on. And it's not always something that is predictable. So in whatever areas of social work that I may land into in my final career, I think that that is a very relevant topic for all social workers. As well as I think that it is something that I can help people out personally, as I had mentioned within LPA, Little People of America. Being a social worker, we have groups, online groups, chat rooms, support groups where we help one another out. And I would love to be someone who, once I get my degree, is able to help others deal with that.